Hi, Mark here. Thursday, July the 10th, going on 9:30 a.m. Eastern, 1:30 GMT. US session well underway. And let's have a look how the US dollar's performing. US dollar index strong, started strong and maintaining now that the US session is underway and testing resistance at 97.30. Been unable to maintain above this level the past few days. We'll see today whether US dollar strength can continue. The index can test a break above and maintain above this 97.32 resistance, or if we're going to see a turnaround and weak US dollar. That's the pattern we've seen the last few days. US dollar strength to start and then reversed and those gains given up during the US session. But so far, US dollar looking strong, got support at 96.92. Let's have a look how the majors are performing, starting with the euro. US dollar strength continuing now that the US session is underway and testing support right now at 117.03. Resistance 117.48, support 117.03. That's the $117.17 level being tested. Let's zoom in on the hourly, and there you can see selling euro, buying US, and testing the support level at $1.17. If the euro can fight back and we see a turnaround to dollar weakness, 117.48 is the resistance on the upside. Let's have a look at the pound. Also, strong US dollar to start. There it is, testing support right now, 135.58. Got resistance at 136.18 and testing support right now. Selling pound, buying US. That'll be strong on the hourly. There you can see over the past 3-4 hours, support being tested. US dollar strength going into the US session and no turnaround as yet. 135.58 support and 136.18 is the resistance. Let's have a look at the US yen. And again, US dollar strength to start, and you can see resistance 146.54 and support down here at 145.77. US dollar strength looking to break above this resistance level for now. Let's zoom in on the hourly. And there you can see there's the resistance. Came off a little bit off resistance, hanging around the 146.42 area for now, but 146.54 is resistance. Buyers will be looking to test, break above that level. Alternatively, if there is a turnaround, US dollar weakness, yen strength would be off this area, and that would be coming back to look down here at 145.77. US dollar Canadian. US dollar strength to start, the same as you've seen with the other majors, and certainly here testing resistance at 136.95, looking up at $1.37, and this resistance level 137.06. Buying US dollar, selling Canadian, support at 136.77. If there is a turnaround and US dollar starts getting sold off, or we see a return to dollar weakness, would be off this area around the 137, and sellers of US, buyers of Canadian would be looking down here at the $36.63 support area. But right now, US dollar strength, we've seen dollar strengthening through the Asian European session, continuing at this point into the US session against the euro, the pound, the yen, and the Canadian. We'll see if that can be maintained through the US session. We've got levels to work with, and I will see you later in the day.